This is Mrs. Munoz. I'm going to show you how to color the periodic table for this assignment. So the directions are right here in the middle, and the first step says to use a color to identify your metalloids. And they're these elements here. They are kind of over to the right, and they follow a diagonal. So we're going to start with B. B is our first one. Put your pointer there and just go up to this paint can. Pick any color you want. I'm going to pick this blue color. And then the next one is SI and GE. So I'm going to, if you hold Control, you put your pointer in SI and then hold Control, you can click multiple tabs at once. And then I think those are both selected. Or actually they're not. I'm just going to, I thought that worked, but it didn't. But you can just slide your pointer and select multiple tabs at once. And then if you do Control Y, that repeats what you just did. Or you can go back into the paint can and select it again. Then I've got AS and SB. Yeah, Control does work. I don't know why it didn't work before. Okay, it's working now. And then Control Y repeats. Then TE and PO. Okay, so now I have those selected with one color. Those are my metalloids. Now it says use a different color to identify your nonmetals. They are on the right of the metalloids, and H is also going to be that same color. So I want all of these to be the same color. And actually Shift is a better key. If you put your pointer on what you want and then hold Shift, and then I can click RN, and it will select all of those at once. Or you can also just scroll down and select them all. Either way works. But I want to select multiple things at once. And actually I can do both of those columns. Oh no, I can only do one column at a time. And then I'm going to pick a different color. This time I'm going to go yellow. And I'm going to get all of these to be yellow. So Control Y is your repeat button, or I can also just go to the paint can and keep selecting that color. And then H will also be yellow. And then a third color to identify the metals. That's everything that's left. So I'm going to do like, maybe this pink color. And I can do big sections at a time. Oops. Be careful when you're selecting. Sometimes it tries to move things on you. Oops. Okay, so that is how you follow those directions to get the right colors in. And then you're going to match the color code down here. So my metal color was this pink color that I just did. So I'm going to put, wherever it says metal, I'm going to put that color. So anytime I have a metal, I have metallic bonding. If I have a metal, that's going to be pink, a pink element plus a non-metal, that's my yellow. So a pink plus a yellow is going to be an ionic bond. And then anytime I have only yellow elements, so all nonmetals, that is going to be covalent bonds. So that is how you do this first tab. Now, this is not done. There's a second tab, and I have a different video for that. That video, I think I did a different color code. So just keep that in mind when